Hallo und willkommen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my granny's cheesecake. Omas Käsekuchen. Now I'm obviously slightly biased, but I have never had a cheesecake like my granny's anywhere in my life. So let's get started. I've already separated 8 eggs. We take 8 yolks. $250 grams of butter, and 250 grams of sugar. And we stir this a little. And after we've stirred it for a while, we're going to stir it with the machine until it is really foamy. So beat it until it's foamy. I think that's probably good enough. And here is the secret of the cheesecake. 2 kilograms of quark. Now when I came to the UK, there was very little quark in this country, but now you can get it in most bigger supermarkets. Whoops. And then the other secret of this cheesecake is semolina. So this cheesecake doesn't use any flour. Instead it uses semolina. And we take 160 grams of semolina. So this is 98. So we take another good chunk of this one. Then we take a pinch of salt. Now in Germany we use Vanillesoßenpulver, which I think translates as custard powder in the UK. Custard powder. Again, in Germany we use Vanillezucker, but that's not available in the UK, as far as I know. So I've got natural vanilla extract. Two teaspoons of baking powder, which roughly is the same as 2 little sachets of baking powder. 1, 2. And the juice of 2 lemons. The advantage of pressing the juice out first is that you can take out any stones that might have come out of the lemon. Oh, you can see I'm a total pro. Okay. Now I'm just going to briefly take out these stones. I'll be right back. Okay, the juice of 2 lemons. And this is one of the big secrets, a handful of raisins, or in this case, I've got sultanas. Just a good handful. And then here's another secret. In my recipe it says 4 tablespoons of rum. I'm just going to give it a good chunk of rum. And then we need to stir the egg whites. Until they're stiff. I think that will do. And my lovely assistant has just reminded me that it's a good idea to preheat the oven at this point. Right, and now we fold the egg whites under the rest of the mix until it's all very well mixed. And these are the quantities that my mum tells me work best. They do, however, give you roughly 1.5 cakes. Make sure that you get all the edges well mixed under as well. That's it. And now we're going to fill this into one larger form. And one smaller form. Make sure it's roughly even at the top. And then we stick it into the oven. I've got it set at 190 degrees Celsius, and we'll come back when it's golden. See you soon.